Alright y'all, in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can go ahead and start making money with Muncheye in 2021 as a complete beginner. Best part about this is you don't need no money. Hell, you don't even need a website. And actually doing the strategy that I'm going to teach y'all inside this video is how I made my first $1,000 in a single day with affiliate marketing. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. And for those of you that's interested in learning how I make money online and learn my strategies and everything, right now I'm running a 5-course bundle deal right now for only $30. You get to learn Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube marketing, Instagram ads, Facebook if I haven't said it already, Bing, you name it. Pretty much everything I learned over the years you can get access to for only $30 right now. So like I said, if you want access to that, it'll be the first link in the description or in the comment section down below. Now without further ado, let's get straight into this training. Alright, so for those of you that don't know what Muncheye is, basically like a new product launch site where they basically just tell you about products that's about to launch within the next days, weeks, I think it even go up to months ahead of time. So you can basically, like under right here, big launches. Like I said, the strategy I'm gonna be teaching y'all in this video can make you your first commission, your first $100, your first $1,000. If you was lucky, I don't know if that was luck or that's just what it is. But I only did this one time and I had a big success with it, so that's why I'm teaching it to y'all. So as you can see, this product is launching June 15th. I think that's today. Yeah, so you get the product launching June 15th. The next big launch is on the 19th, the 27th. So pretty much every week it's a new big product launch happening, sometimes multiple per week. Then you got the all launches. These is like the less popular products. I think these is launching every day. So as you can see, I got 1, 2, it's about at least five new product launches a day, you know, with the small launches. But the big launches, at least one per week, 1 or 2 per week. And what we're doing with these new launches, you know, the strategy we're using to make money with this is called launch jacking. And what launch jacking is basically taking advantage of new product launches by writing a review or making a YouTube video about the product before it launches, and then stealing commissions once the product do launch. Because how it works is, you know, whenever there's a new big product that's about to launch, there's a lot of people promoting it, talking about it in their emails and their YouTube videos or whatnot. And when people go searching for reviews on the product to see, you know, is it good or not, and that's where we come in at. We create either a blog post or make a YouTube video is what I recommend, and it's how I made my the other day by simply telling people what's inside the product, what you're gonna get, and then offering your own bonuses for anybody that go and purchase the course. Because if you just give a review and then give them your affiliate link, you're not gonna make that much money. But the way to get around it is offering some bonuses. What I did, I'm about to show y'all my example in a minute. I basically offered $3,000 worth of bonuses. You know, of course, I just hyped it up just to make it sound good. All I did was give them like 5 extra courses that I had created myself. But if you don't have your own course, you can easily just go to Fiverr, pay a few different creators or sellers or whatever for their courses, and then just add them to your bundle, and you're pretty much good to go. Now, the benefits of this launch jacking strategy is little to no competition. Like I said, I did this. I don't even think I had that much money to my name when I created that video, and it was free anyway. So, and it's easy to rank the content, being that it's little to no competition. It's only probably 2 or 3 different people who's creating content around the same keyword or whatever, which is why it's so easy to rank without even having to do much at all. And it requires little to no money to start. It's the easiest way to make your first commission online if you haven't already. And it's scalable. As you can see, we go back to the website, they got new product launches, at least 5 new product launches every day. Even though every product that's being released is not a big launch, you can still make some money off of it. Now, how I rank my videos is very simple. All I do is put the product name plus review and bonuses inside the title. As far as tags, I use tags related to the offer. So XYZ product review, that's one tag. XYZ product bonus, that's one. XYZ product 2021, things like that. I'm gonna show y'all my examples so y'all can see exactly what I'm talking about. Description, I don't really go too crazy in the description, but you definitely want to make sure you include a link to the affiliate offer and mention the product throughout the description. Now, as far as thumbnails, you can easily create your own using Canva, or you can just pay somebody on Fiverr $5 or $10 to create the thumbnail for you, and you're good to go. And another thing I forgot to mention, you don't even have to get on video. I didn't even get on video. You know, kind of how I'm shooting this video. You can just do a simple little voiceover, or you can even go on Fiverr and pay somebody to do a voiceover. You just give them like a script to use. So if you want to see that case study on how I made that $1,000, you can just type in launch jacking affiliate marketing 2019, or if I remember, I'll just put a link in the description so you can watch that video. But let's click on it real quick. Boom, March 17th, 1176.96 with launch jacking. You can go watch that video on your own time. And this was a product that I was reviewing. It paid out like $500, I think, per commission. As you can see, Quit 9 to 5 Academy review plus bonuses worth over 3K. See, I ended up making another video because I think this video, before it was like at the second spot, I think it had went down to like spot like 7 or something like that. I ended up making another video to basically re-rank my stuff. Ultimately, I ended up taking the second and third spot, and yeah, made some easy commissions. Each video was around 5 to 7 minutes long. As you can see, the first one was 6 minutes and 47 seconds, and then this one was 5 minutes. Literally, all I did was go look at other people's reviews, look at how they structured it, and basically went over to what the product has to offer and my bonuses. You see, 5 minutes is not that long to basically come up with a review about something. Mind you, I don't even own the product. I didn't even have, you know how you can get access to products, you know, if you reach out to the creators or whatever, you can get early access to it for free. I didn't even do that. I literally just went over what the product said on the sales page and then offered my bonuses. You can go watch those 2 videos if you want. I don't want to watch it right now in this video because it's too cringy to watch. But yeah, like I was saying, like, okay, if you got a product text connector, you can easily just go to Fiverr.com, YouTube, type in YouTube, thumbnail. You can just pick the best ones, I guess. I think I went with this person before. Was it this person or this person? I don't know. I feel like I went with one of these different creators. And yeah, they get back to you within 24 hours. Get you your thumbnail. You just tell them what you want, the color scheme. Send them the logo that you want to put in there, and they'll send it back to you real quick. They even do voiceovers. So for those of you that are scared to get on camera or your English is not that good, boom, voiceover. Send them a script or what you want them to say. Professional voiceover starting at $10. So you just pick and choose which one stands out the best. Definitely want to pick one with some good reviews because you don't want to get messed over. Now, as far as which products to go after, the product that I was promoting, the Quit 9 to 5 Academy, was under, if you can see right here on the left hand side, affiliate networks that it's a part of. I was personally just picking ClickBank products. That's because that's what I was most comfortable with. But you can do Warrior Plus, JV Zoo. That's the majority of the products. I think all of them pay out via PayPal, so you'll be good to go. I just did ClickBank just for me. So some offers you definitely have to you know, fill out a little. Well, you basically have to request access to it. It's very, very simple. You're just telling them how you're gonna promote it, where you plan on promoting it, just simple little details, probably 2-3 sentences worth of stuff, and you're pretty much good to go. But I know ClickBank products, I didn't have to do none of that. I could just, you know, look at the sales page, grab my affiliate link, and I was pretty much good to go. But hopefully you enjoyed this video, man. If y'all want more videos about, you know, making money on Muncheye, launch jacking, and things like that, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll surely create some more content around this. And like I said earlier in the video, if you want access to my 5-course bundle right now, it's on sale for only $30, man. You get to learn pretty much all the top traffic strategies and how to promote it with affiliate offers, your own offers. Hell, it don't matter if you was doing drop shipping. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.